Travel insurance isn't optional anymore. Many destinations require it, and your guests expect you to make it easy. If you're not offering insurance during checkout, you're creating unnecessary friction and potentially losing bookings. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up and add travel insurance to your tours using Tripcart. By the end, you'll be able to offer insurance directly at checkout. Before we dive into the setup, let me first explain what this feature does and why it's valuable for your business. This feature gives you everything you need to offer travel insurance. This helps protect your travelers from cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. You can create and manage multiple insurance plans and add them directly to your checkout flow. If you prefer to work with third-party providers, you can also set up affiliate links. This lets you partner with trusted insurance companies and earn commission on every sale. Now that you know what it does, let's enable it. From your Tripcart dashboard, go to Apps and then Tools. Find travel insurance in the list, turn it on, and click Configure. Once enabled, you can directly access it from the app section. The settings you customize here are part of the global settings. This means your setup will automatically apply across all tours, unless you choose to customize it for a specific tour later. You can now decide how travel insurance appears on your checkout page. Start by adding a section title. This will appear as the main heading above your insurance options on the checkout page. Then add a short description that explains the purpose of this section. This will show right under the title and help travelers understand why it's important to protect their trip. You can also format this using text, headings, or list blocks. Next, add a question that lets travelers decide whether to include insurance in their booking. Add clear yes and no labels so guests can easily make their choice. When guests select yes, the insurance plans will appear right below. Next, set the plan title. This will display above the list of available plans. Add a label for the Plan Details button. This button appears beside each plan name, allowing guests to expand and view all coverage details. Finally, enable the Show Per Day pricing option if you want daily rates to display next to the total per traveler price. This helps guests clearly see how the total cost is calculated as the number of travel days changes. Now, let's add your first set of travel insurance plans. We'll create 3 examples together: Basic, Standard, and Premium, so you can see exactly how each one works. On the travel insurance page, click the Add New Insurance Plan button. Start with the Basic plan. Give it a simple name. You'll see other options, such as adding a short description. Write something that explains what the plan covers. Next, choose the pricing type. You can choose Fixed per person, which means the same price will be charged for each traveler. For example, if your plan costs $30 and a group of 4 books a trip, the total insurance cost will be $120. Or you can select Percentage of Tour Cost. This means the price will be calculated as a percentage of the total booking amount, including accommodation or any add-ons. The system will divide this amount among all travelers automatically. For this plan, I'm choosing the Fixed per person option and entering the fixed rate amount for each traveler. If you've chosen Percentage of Tour Cost instead, you'll need to enter the percentage value here so the system can automatically calculate the insurance price based on the total trip cost. After that, scroll down to the coverage section and add more details about what the plan includes. You can use content blocks like headings, paragraphs, or bullet points to list all the benefits. Finally, you can add a plan label, such as Best Plan or Recommended, to make a specific plan stand out to your customers. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Now, your first insurance plan has been created successfully. Next, click Add New Insurance Plan again in a similar way to create the Standard Plan and Premium Plan. Once you finish the setup, click Save Changes. You now have 3 travel insurance options: Basic, Standard, and Premium, each with its own pricing and coverage. On the right-hand side, you'll also find quick actions to duplicate a plan if you want to create a similar one, or delete it if it's no longer needed. Now that we have completed the global setup, let's apply it to a specific tour. Open Tours. Click on All Tours and choose the tour you want to edit. Then, scroll down to the Travel Insurance section If you operate in a country where travel insurance is mandatory, or if you simply want to make sure every traveler is covered before confirming their booking, you can turn on the option Make Travel Insurance Mandatory at the top. This ensures your guests must choose an insurance plan before completing their booking. It's a great way to protect both you and your travelers, especially in regions where coverage is required by law. Below that, you'll see two tabs under Travel Insurance Type: Global Insurance and Affiliate Link. For now, I'll choose the Global Insurance option for this tour, since we'll cover the Affiliate Link setup later in the video. This option allows you to reuse the plans you created earlier in the Global Settings section. You can select one or multiple plans, such as Basic, Standard, and Premium, to make them available for this specific tour. Once you've selected your preferred plans, you'll see them listed below with their names, descriptions, and prices. For each plan, you can update coverage details, change the description, adjust the price, or delete the plan. You can also change the order of the plans, and they will appear in the same order on your live booking page. Each plan will appear with a selection button, and the plan you set as default will already be selected during checkout. Keep in mind that any edits made at the tour level will only apply to this specific tour. Your global settings will remain unchanged, so other tours will continue using the same insurance plans as before. When everything looks good, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now, let's preview how your travelers will see it on your website. Open your tour page and start a booking as if you're a guest. When you reach the checkout, you'll see your travel insurance section exactly where you added it. The title and short description appear clearly, followed by the yes or no options. If the guest clicks yes, the available plans will instantly appear in the same order you set earlier, with the default plan already selected. Guests can also choose another plan if they prefer a different coverage or price option. Each plan will display its coverage, details, pricing, and the plan labels you added. If you've enabled per-day pricing, the total amount will automatically adjust based on the number of travel days. Once you've seen how the global plans appear during checkout, you might also want to promote an external insurance provider instead of using your own plans. In that case, you can use Affiliate Link, which lets you connect directly to a trusted insurance provider right from your tour page. Now, let's see how to set that up. Select any tour where you want to add an affiliate link instead of using your own plans. Scroll down to the Travel Insurance section. Under Insurance Type, select Affiliate Link. In the description field, write a short message that explains the insurance coverage and why it's recommended for travelers. In the link label field, enter the text you want to appear on the button, such as a simple call to action that encourages guests to buy or view insurance. In the link field, paste your affiliate or tracking URL from the provider. For this example, I'm using a dummy link, but you should use the actual link provided by your insurance partner so you can earn a commission from it. Once you've added all the details, click Update or Publish at the top to save your changes. Now, let's take a look at how this appears to your customers. Open the tour where you added the affiliate link. On the checkout page, you'll see the travel insurance section with your description and a button showing the label you added. When travelers click the button, they'll be redirected to the link you added. From there, they can explore available plans. That's it! You have learned how to create and add travel insurance in Tripcart. Whether you are offering your own plans or promoting a partner's service, travel insurance helps build trust, adds value, and protects your guests from unexpected events. Try setting it up today. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Tripcart tutorials that help you manage and grow your tour business with ease.